Alright, move bumper. My 2003 Silverado 4x4. Got the kit and just now getting all the fundamentals started. Finally got everything pulled away and the brackets sorted out. Thing cleared away and ready to go. The top parts of the brackets on. Just got to bolt up the bottom parts and then we can get that center section in there. Alright, now that we got the bottom brackets in place, assuming that that's right, this may change. With the notch out the way it is, that's what I can tell. Seems to look like that's the way that goes. We'll get the center section, see how it looks. Alright, center section tacked in. Lines up pretty good. Put the grill in to get my centering, make sure the clearance was there. I'll pop the grill back out, buzz in some more. There she is on the first step. Just tacked in place until we can get it all lined up. Alright, I used my turn signal running lamp lens on the passenger side here to make sure everything was lining up going in there. I still got a little tweaking to do on the bottom down there to get the two lined up. Cuts and pieces, bends, all really in good shape. They do a real nice job. I'm rather impressed with how they're turning out so far. Just piecing it together. I'm going to do the end here, move over to the other side, line up the lowers on that side, and just keep stitching it a little bit at a time until I get it ready to weld it all up. See how she goes. Alright, now we have our end piece in place. Kind of cool how it's coming out. Like I said, really good cuts on the parts. You know, you can always bend and move the brackets if you need to. I'll get the other side tacked in and weld and grind. Alright, obviously I got the other wing on now. Just burned it in a little ways in the front to make sure it doesn't move on me. Of course, weld it back side, front side. Burn it in a lot better than it is right now. And then, because I'm not that great at welding, it will get ground good. It'd been nice to have one that was all welded real pretty and fancy and TIG welded or MIG welded with the gas and all that, but some of us are less fortunate. We do with what we got. The Walmart special welder and kicking it in. Alright, got it buzzed in a little bit more. Now that side's on, across the center. I have to adjust this side up a little bit more, which is simple enough to do. Move the brackets underneath the bottom, shape it up, adjust them up and move it up. I can shim those and adjust that where it needs to go. There's a lot to it, but all the hard work's done. Getting all the cuts and knowing the angles and stuff is really what really matters. Alright, I'll get it welded. As usual, anytime I get into an experiment, repair it type things. It's all coming out good. Lining up nice. A little bit of modifications here and there. Still need to adjust a couple things. This side's got to go up a little bit. But as usual, I run out of wire in the little pocket welder. So I should have went ahead and bought an extra roll, thinking I had an extra roll here, but time to go to the hardware. Finished product for now. Well worth the money.